आमच्यात फोटो बरे आ गए.
देखिए what I was expecting is जैसे और प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे होता है कि किसी साउंड ट्रैक पे या किसी पे लोग आएंगे, कुछ नाचेंगे, गाएंगे, कुछ डायलॉगबाजी होगा. I was expecting that, but I was very surprised, pleasantly surprised to see them actually create content, and not just in one genre. बहुत genres, across genres they created different content. And people even composed music. People composed music, they had thrillers, they had romance, they had drama, they had tragedy, they had every kind of content that you could think of was created.
वो भी 1 मिनट.
वो भी 1 मिनट. That is the beauty of it. And it is, तो पहले क्या हुआ, पहले सिनेमा था, फिर सिनेमा के बाद वीडियो, फिर डीवीडी, ये वो, फिर अभी यूट्यूब, फिर और अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे छोटी छोटी जो चीज़ें होती हैं, क्विक वीडियो. बट वो सब इतना कंटेंट क्रिएशन नहीं था जितना मजाक था कि प्लेबैक करो, कॉपी करो. ये एक्चुअल क्रिएशन है. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज एक्साइटिंग अबाउट जोश. कि जोश ने सबकी में जोश दिया लोगों को कि कुछ बनाओ. Jflix has given that जोश to people कि चलो कुछ बनाते हैं, और एक मौका मिल गया है सबको कुछ करने का. And the beauty is, you know, when we were starting out, when Vivek was starting out, when I was starting out, we had to showcase our talent in a different way. There's a very famous story that when Vivek was starting out, he wanted the role, so he dressed up like that and went to Ragopal Verma's office.
It's the first of its kind, an innovative format, because world over, if you see, vertical video में short format नहीं हो, there's no festival like this. So Jflix is the first of its kind, innovative format that we've sort of brought, to give josh to our creators, and our creators to adopt a format that we are hoping is going to disrupt the way short video is even created today. So today we thought, okay, you know what are we going to get? And actually it was something that we were experimenting on to think that, what people will actually submit to us. But what we saw was incredible. 50,000 video entries submitted in a 1-week period. 2 billion views on those video entries with people voting was not something that we even anticipated. So if you even head to the app and see the Jflix banners, you will see the kind of content and the type of people that have created this content. And Jflix as a festival is testimony to the fact that creators today are experienced. They have knowledge of what content is all about. They can create it in 1 minute. From where we come from, content was created in a manner where it takes us like 6 months to create a TV show. We mount like huge cameras, do all of that. Today it's literally on your mobile phone. People can pick up, they create it on their phone, they edit it on their phone, and that's thrilling to us, because this Jflix is actually proof of what we were expecting in terms of talent that is all around the country, and they just need a platform, and that's what Jflix is seeking to do. And hopefully many seasons of this. This is the first one, but many to be coming up.
Well, it's been amazing. This whole first Jflix festival seems like we're all a little part of history being made. User-generated content started globally very successfully with YouTube, and then आज जो छोटे format में अपने phone पे shoot करके जिस तरह से जोश के ऊपर participation है, the numbers are astounding. मतलब you're talking about 125 million MAUs, monthly active users, and that's a big number. 12.5 करोड़ लोग आपका इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं app on a monthly basis and are putting content or watching content. That kind of reach, our entire theatre network all across India does not have that kind of reach. उतने हमारे पास theatres नहीं हैं fit that kind of population. So the access is amazing. दूसरी बात ये है कि uniqueness of content. हर इंसान अपनी personality को दर्शा रहा है. जब मैं फैज़ू का content देखता हूँ, तो it's very different. He's got his own chap on it. When I see Sana's content, she's got her chap on it. And there are so many galaxies of little stars like this coming up across and being loved and being so popular on social media. They're doing things that are topical, that are funny, that are emotional. कभी-कभी philosophy झाड़ देते हैं, कभी inspiration. So it's kind of amazing to see that. And Josh is giving them a platform. And today, this awards night is huge because it's a validation of that. And they're getting to interact with some industry veterans. They're getting to work with people like Kunal and Farah, and these are people who've established a foothold in the industry and made their mark here. तो ऐसे लोगों की एक mentorship मिल रही है. And of course, I think the biggest thing, the most exciting thing that I think all of us sitting over here are slightly jealous about. थोड़ी सी जलन हम लोगों को भी हो रही है कि the winner gets to go to the Oscars, yeah. Actually go there and sit at the Oscar Awards, and that's phenomenal. Imagine that journey for a young kid from any part of India.
I think it's a great platform for everyone, but the most important part is there are a lot of people, they were looking for jobs, the youth especially, you know, and now I see everyone, at least besides the fact that you get famous and you get popularity and everything else, but your kitchen is running. You know, most of them are getting endorsements and everything else. If you see, it has become like a job, like a business now. It's not only about followers or, you know, so I think it's very, very, it's a big thing. I think it's very good.
It is.